Hi guys, so as you can see here we've got this ceiling fan. I'm gonna convert it to a power generator, so just stay tuned and I'll show you how to do that. So first thing I need to do, I need to remove all this stuff here so I can get to the stator. These are the blade support. We've got two circles of coils here, this one and this one, so I think we're going to use this one here. So what I need to do now is put this back like this, and I need to mark with a marker. I need to mark lines here between each coil. All around this, and after that, as you can see, I already marked them. So now what I need to do is just like cut these bits so I can put magnets here all around this circle here. All magnets, and I'll see you after I cut these bits. So guys, as you can see here, now I need to remove, you see this coil here, this is for the low speed, because in this fan we've got two speeds, low and high. So I need to remove, I don't need these coils, so I need to remove them. Yeah, I already started, but I need to remove them. So guys, as you can see here, I had to put some magnets, after finishing making a space for the magnets. I had to put some magnet. They have to be like, as you can see here, south, north, south, south, north, south, north, south, north, south, north, and that's it all around this circle here. See, I'm marking them now. So that's north, this south, north, south. And that's it all around this circle, and after that I'm gonna glue them, put some glue. So now guys, I need to, after our glue dry, I need to place them around the stator like this. So my friends, as you can see here, I finished putting the magnets, in the stator, and I put here the charge controller for the wind turbine, and a light, and as you can see, it's just a simple movement like that, and you can see the 24 volts light is lit now. And if I do it, if I turn the speed up, see, so I've got a good power from this fan, ceiling fan. So guys, next step I'm going to do is put in the blades. So I'm going to use the old blades support, and I will modify them and I'll put some plastic tubes. So guys, as you can see now, our wind turbine, our project is done. This is the final look of our turbine. As you can see here, it looks really pretty. So I'm going to show you now if it's generating any power. I'm going to show you now how this works. So we've got two wires coming from the coil of the stator here, and they go straight to the wind turbine controller, and we've got this red and black, the negative and positive, the output, going straight to our light here, which you see here. If when our wind turbine, you know, turns, you can see our light is on now, like that. You can see. Stop it. You can see it's really strong one, because it gets to the white, you know, the white is on. You can see here, white light is on. Do it again. Again. So this is a really good investment if somebody wants, you know, to use the ceiling fan, you know, for generating it. It's costless, and it gives a good result. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Please, if you're new on this channel, if you can hit, you know, subscribe and like, that would be good to support my channel, and I will get you some more ideas and videos. Just when you get notifications, you know, just go and have a look to my videos. Thank you for watching, and see you soon. Bye.